Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our first module on this newly introduced YouTube channel under the title Quantum Mechanics by Rana Abdul Wahid Khan. Okay. Dear students, this is our introductory video about the video lectures to be uploaded in future. In this video we will go through books to be followed while preparing videos to be uploaded on this channel. Okay, so first we come towards foundation level books. Okay, foundation level contents, that is chapters from those foundation level books. Okay, first book is Fundamentals of Physics Extended, Halliday and Resnick, Gerald Walker. Publisher is Wiley. It's 10th edition 2014 or 11th edition 2018 will be followed. Okay, while it has almost 45 or 46 chapters, but we are concerned only with 2 chapters to the extent of quantum mechanics, and these chapters are chapter number 38 and 39. Okay, so first book is gone, which has 2 chapters on quantum mechanics, chapter number 38 and 39. Second book is Sears and Zemanski's University Physics with Modern Physics, Hugh D. Young, Roger A. Friedman, A. Lewis Ford. Its publisher is Pearson, and its 14th edition 2016 or 15th edition 2020 will be followed. Okay, dear students, to the extent of quantum mechanics we are not concerned with the whole book, which almost comprises 45 or 44 or 45 chapters. We are concerned with only 4 chapters, that is chapter number 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. Okay, so these 5 chapters are not purely about quantum mechanics. We will concentrate on the relevant contents relating to quantum mechanics in these 5 chapters. Okay, chapter number 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. Not complete these 5 chapters. Concerned contents will be observed. Okay, next foundation level book to be followed will be Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Its authors are Raymond A. Survey, John W. Jute Jr. Jr. Its publisher is Cengage. Its 9th edition 2014 or 10th edition 2019 will be followed. Dear students, this book also contains about 45 chapters, but we are not concerned with all 45 chapters. We are concerned with only 3 chapters. Okay, that is chapter number 40, only 2 chapters, chapter number 40 and chapter number 41. Chapter number 40 and chapter number 41. Next foundation level book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics, Douglas C. Gyan Polly. Its publisher is Pearson. its fourth edition 2009 or fifth edition probably to be available in 2021 or 2022. Okay, fourth edition 2009 or fifth edition 2021 will be followed. This book again contains about 45 chapters. We are not concerned with all 45 chapters. We are concerned with only 3 chapters, that is chapter number 37, 38 and 39. Next, foundation level book is Modern Physics by Kenneth S. Crane. Its publisher is Wiley. Its third edition 2012 or fourth edition 2020 will be followed. We are not concerned with the whole book. Okay, we are concerned only with 3 chapters, that is chapter number 3, chapter number 4 and chapter number 5. Dear students, next foundation level book is Modern Physics for Scientists and Engineers. Its authors are Stephen T. Thornton, Andrew Rex, Carol E. Hood. Okay, these 3 authors. Its publisher is Cengage. Its fourth edition 2013 or fifth edition 2021 will be followed. We are not concerned with the whole book. We are concerned with 4 chapters of this book, that is chapter number 3, chapter number 4, chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. Dear students, next foundation level book is Concepts of Modern Physics by Arthur Weiser. Its publisher is McGraw-Hill. Its 6th edition 2003 or 7th edition 2015 will be followed. Preferably we will follow 6th edition. Okay, 7th edition is also available, in which Indian authors have contributed. Okay, however we will follow 6th edition. Okay, we are not concerned with the whole book for the purpose of this course, that is quantum mechanics. We are concerned with a few chapters, that is chapter number 2, chapter number 3, chapter number 5, chapter number 6 and chapter number 7. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, dear students, next foundation level book is Modern Physics by Paul A. Tipler, Ralph A. Llewellyn, W. H. Freeman. Its 5th edition 2008 or 6th edition 2012 will be followed. We are not concerned with the whole book. We are concerned only with the chapters, chapter number 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, chapter number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next foundation level book is Modern Physics by Raymond A. Survey, Clement J. Moses, Kurt A. Moyer. Its publisher is Thomson. Its 3rd edition 2005 will be followed. We are not concerned with the whole book for the purpose of this course, that is quantum mechanics. We are concerned only with chapters, few chapters, that is chapter number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these complete chapters will not be followed. Only relevant contents will be followed. Okay, chapter number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, relevant contents of these chapters will be observed, will be followed for the purpose of this course, that is quantum mechanics. Next, dear students, next foundation level book is Ahmad A. Kamal, 1000 solved problems in modern physics. Its publisher is Springer and its edition was published in 2010. Okay, Springer 2010 edition, and we are concerned only with 2 chapters, that is chapter number 2 and 3. Okay, only second and third chapter of this book deals with quantum mechanics. Okay, while other chapters deal with other courses of modern physics. Okay, now we come towards the recommended books. Okay, which are subject specific books which contain all major courses, major course contents. Okay, so first recommended book is Introduction to Quantum Mechanics by David J. Griffiths, Darrell F. Schroeter. Okay, pronunciation may differ, it is no problem. Pronunciation may slightly vary. We are not so much concerned with exact pronunciation. Okay, its publisher is Cambridge University Press, and the edition is of 2018. Third edition is okay. Third edition of Introduction to Quantum Mechanics by David J. Griffiths, Darrell F. Schroeter, Cambridge University Press, 2018. Third edition. Okay. Next recommended book is Quantum Mechanics Concepts and Applications, Noureddin Zaateli. Its publisher is John Wiley, and this is second edition, 2009. Okay. Next recommended book is Introductory Quantum Mechanics, Richard L. Leibov. Its publisher is Edison Wesley, and it is fourth edition, having been published in 2002. Next recommended book is Quantum Physics by Stephen Gasiorowicz. Okay, Stephen Gasiorowicz, pronunciation may differ. Okay, its publisher is John Wiley, and this is third edition, having been published in 2003. Next recommended book is Quantum Mechanics by B.H. Branson, C.J. Jochen. Its publisher is Pearson, and this is second edition, having been published in 2000. Next recommended book is Walter Grainer, Quantum Mechanics, an Introduction, with foreword by D.A. Bromley. Its publisher is Springer, and it is fourth edition of this book, having been published in the year 2001. Next recommended book is Modern Quantum Mechanics by J.J. Sakurai and Jim J. Napolitano. Pronunciation may differ. We are not very much concerned with the exact pronunciation. Okay, its publisher is Pearson, and this is the second edition of this book, having been published in 2014. Next recommended book is Principles of Quantum Mechanics by R. Shankar. Its publisher is Planum Press, and this is the second edition of this book, having been published in 1994. The next recommended book is The Principles of Quantum Mechanics, P.A.M. Dirac. Its publisher is Oxford University Press, and this is the third edition of this book. Next recommended book is Quantum Physics by E.H. Wichmann. Okay, second author is second author is no Berkeley Physics Course Volume 4. This is its title. Okay, its publisher is Berkeley and it was published in 1965. Okay, next recommended book is Quantum Physics of Atoms, Molecules, Solids, Nuclei and Particles. Its authors are Robert Iceberg and Robert Resnick. Its publisher is Wiley and this is the second edition of this book, having been published in 2002. And this is the end of our module. Okay.